Back to school is right around the corner, so I'm making a surprise gift for my day one bestie. I picked a few templates in the Liene photo app. Hit print and let PixCut S1 do the rest. A little encouragement to hype up her first day. A photo keychain to keep our silly moments close. A little lucky wish for a smart cookie. And a custom sticker set to help her break the ice in new classes. Now just a few finishing touches to wrap it all up. A little surprise for a brand new school year. Now it's your turn. Join our sticker swap challenge. Win an iPad or one of 20 PixCut theme sticker packs. 700 days proven, perfect from day one. Liene PixCut S1. Make your ideas stick.